Hi, my name is Kendall Richards. I am a graduate from Cellbotics. I just wanted to let everyone know how Cellbotics has helped me in my day-to-day life. Not just my day-to-day life, my career, and in motivating people in so serious ways that people they wouldn't even consider that. It's just a cell phone school, it's just a cell phone repair school. It's not that big a deal, but it really is a big deal. So I'm going to let you know my story. It'll be about 5-6 minutes, not long, I promise. But I started about 5 years ago. I was in SCC, and she actually taught a class there, and I attended. And that day changed my life for the better, honestly. I do cell phone repair on the side because I do have a career. I do cell phone repair on the side still to this day, just for the extra money. Say I want to go on a trip, I'm out of town, I can do cell phone repairs while I'm out of town. Give me some extra spending money. I want to stay a few extra days. There you go find your extra money. It's absolutely amazing. It was so hands-on. But when I went into the class, I had no clue about anything in cell phones, nothing at all, absolutely nothing. I was so oblivious to the fact of even how to open an iPhone, Went in there and I didn't have to look at a book. There wasn't, I didn't have to look at a book, look at a screen. There is a book, but it's just a read along as you're doing it. I didn't have to stare at a screen. That's what I was worried about. I didn't want to work on one phone and then do pointless things like soldering or something I'm never going to use. She briefed us on what we were about to do and what we were about to get into, and then within an hour or two, we were already in cell phones. We were already tearing them down, putting them back together. She was really good about making sure we got it from start to finish. She teaches things that you wouldn't think you'd use every day. But certain things, like you're looking at your cell phone and it's going black. You know what to look for, everybody's got a phone in their hand. That's why I say it's an everyday base. Everybody's got a cell phone in their hand every day. Everybody's got, computers around them every day. And you've got a little insight, And it may only be a week, but that week is not just your experience with somebody. It's not in there. It goes on and it goes on, and you can call her for any little thing to say, hey, I just opened my 5th location. I know it's been 6 years since I've been in a class, but I was really, really looking forward to calling you. You can do that, and you can get open arms, and it's such a warm feeling. Or say, just got out of class. When you are a graduate from Cellbotics, you are forever a student. Forever. Anything you ever need pertaining to this business, it's all in your resources. You need to know something that's not taught at Cellbotics. Don't underestimate Cellbotics, because they'll find you the answer. And it's the answer that, you probably wouldn't have found so much information that you don't think you're walking into. You think you're walking into, oh, let me try this iPhone or this flip phone that I'm never really gonna work on. No. You stay up to date and current, and it's really something, it's amazing. I remember when I started, we were still working on iPhone 4s. Not saying you still can't learn iPhone 4s in Cellbotics. I'm just saying right now they're working on 8s, 10s, X Maxes, everything like that. Current. It stays current. It stays hands-on. There's a book that she makes for you, and she puts pictures in it, and she puts all the wording in it for you, and it's there. It's there. You have all the resources you need to move further in your career, in your life, and the reason you took this class in the first place, or even looked into this class. I know I've heard of classes where you sit and look at a screen for 8 hours a day, and then they kind of just throw you into it, and you don't get to really call back and get information about, well, I'm just starting out at a flea market. Is there any tips you can give me? There's not really many places you can call and just do things like that, or get free information about things that you need to know. 5 months down the road, 6 months down the road, you're always there. You're always in Cellbotics. You will forever be part of Cellbotics family if you do try this out. So I strongly encourage it. I actually taught a few classes for Cellbotics when I was there, and I can tell you, some of the people I met were absolutely beautiful, like amazing spirits. And I know, like, I see them now and they're like so far in life. Like, they're opening stores, making, like, turning regular old buses into cell phone repair places. Like, it's absolutely beautiful to think some of the stuff that people come up with after they leave this class, just from the ideas they get while they're there. Like, everybody has a reason they come to the class, but the reason you have when you leave, even better. The ideas you have when you leave, extravagant. And I love Cellbotics, and I love everything Cellbotics did for me, and I thank them. And I hope you do take the chance and give them a try, because you won't regret it, and I put that on everything.